Good morning, boys and girls. Today is November 10th, and this is our Chapter 5 review. Our Chapter 5 was Place Value to 1,000s, and now we're reviewing for our test. Okay, my review, Chapter 5, Place Value to 1,000. First of all, vocabulary. When we did our check for understanding, check my progress, a lot of people forgot to do this part. It is important to complete this part because it helps you understand the vocabulary and it helps me know whether or not you do understand it. So first of all, draw lines to match. Expanded form. We've talked a lot about expanded form. That's taking the number and stretching it out. So expanded form, this looks like this one's stretched out. Expanded form of 736 is 700 plus 30 plus 6. So that is our expanded form. Hundreds. Well, this does not equal hundreds. This is the less than sign. This is the equal sign. That's the digit. That's a thousand digit. This is the greater than sign. So this is an arrow pointing to the 4, which is in the hundreds place. Equal to. That's easy. Right there. Greater than. 5 is greater than 3. So you can just put this right here. Greater than. Less than has to be the opposite. And thousand. Thousand always has a comma after it. And then we go to the hundreds. So thousand. There we go. Vocabulary check. Now, concept check. Write how many hundreds, tens, and ones. So we count these hundreds. There's 1, 2, 3. Here's my 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to show you right here. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there's 3 hundreds right there. So I'm going to put a 3. But how many tens are in these 300? Well, that's easy. Every 100 has 10 tens. So this 100 has 10 tens. Right? This 100, the next one has 10 tens, and then the next one has 10 tens. So how many tens are that? 10, 20, 30. Skip counting by 10. So there are 30 tens. Okay, so if every 100 has 10 tens, then every 100 has how many ones? Every 100 has 100 ones. So here we go. There's 100, there's another 100, and there's another 100. So 100, 200, 300. There are 300 ones. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Hopefully that illustration helps you a little bit. We are talking about write how many hundreds, tens, and ones, and then write the number. So how many hundreds? It tells you right here. There are 2 hundreds, there are 3 tens, and there are 9 ones. That number is 239. So 239. Okay, number 9. This is where a lot of you make mistakes. 5 hundreds, 6 tens, and 0 ones. They're not just asking you to write 5, because watch this. If I do this, if I write 5 plus 6 plus 0, 5 plus 6 equals 11. That's not the number. It says 5 hundreds. So I'm going to erase this because I know this doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I have 5 hundreds. Here's my 500s. Here's my stack of 500s right here. 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if you can see these. 1, 2. I'll do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there are 500s, the value of the 5 is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So it's going to be 500 plus 6 tens. So let me get my 6 tens. I have 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So plus 60. And how many ones? 0 ones. So 560 with 0 ones. So your number is 560. 500 plus 60 plus 0 equals 560. Let's do this again with 800s. Here's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, and another one will make it 800. Here's my 800 right here. Here's my 800. There's 800 right there. 100, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800s, just like it says right here. So it's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. So I have 800 plus 7 tens. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Plus 8 ones. Let me get my 8 ones out here for you. That's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8. So 800, we can line these up very carefully too. Plus 70, you always line up the ones column. See how I'm doing that? Plus 8. Then add them together. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 7 plus 0, 7. And 8. 878. There we go. Write the number. 629. So 600s, so 6 goes in the hundreds place. 29. There's 29. Okay. Now, 501. Are there any tens? No. So 500, 0 tens, and 1. We can also do it this way. So for the first one, it says 629. So I get my 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 600s right there, right? 29. So I have two tens, and then I have 9 ones. Here's 3, 4, 5. There we go. So then we can go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 610, 620, 621, 622, 623, 624, 625, 626, 627, 628, and 629. So this is a model of this number, and this is it in word form. And the other one, 500s, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 500s, no tens, so you have a 1. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 501. Okay, greater than, equal to, greater than, less than, or equal to. 100 is less than, the smaller arrow, the smaller end of the arrow, the mouth is, it's open to the bigger number. 100 is less than 1,000. Number 14. 468 is, well, first you look in the hundreds, and that's equal. Okay, then we look in the tens. It's a 6 and a 0. We know that 6 is greater than 0. So 468 is greater than 406. Then we have 711 and 711. Equal. So you put an equal sign. 394 and 294. Oh, look at the hundreds. We know that 300 is greater than 200. An example. Here's my 300. Here's my 200. Which one is bigger? The 300. So 394 is greater than 294. Okay, next part, problem solving. Malika has 7 sheets of stickers. Tanya has 7 sheets of stickers. 100 stickers are on each sheet. Who has more stickers? Well, Malika has 9 sheets, and each one has 100, so she has 900. Tanya has 7 sheets. So who has more stickers? Malika has more. Show another way to write 623. Well, we have 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, and 3. 623. Next one. Sam has 998 markers. Write the number to words to show the markers. Remember, they want words. So 900, 100, 90, 8. You need to write the words. Let's move to the next one. Leah has 368 sunflower seeds. How many hundreds does she have? Well, it tells you 300, so she has 3. Okay, so this is your review. We will review again tomorrow. You may even have this on Seesaw to complete. But if you watch the video, I pretty much have given you all the answers. So have a good day, review, get ready for that test. Bye.